the time of pandemic, जब बहुत से बिजनेसेस बंद होने के कगार पे आ गए, काफी लोग अपनी नौकरी से हाथ धो बैठे और लाखों लोग गरीबी और भुखमरी से जूझ रहे हैं। हमारे हॉर्सेस आए हैं एक उम्मीद की किरण बनकर उन सब के लिए जो सब कुछ हारने के बाद भी हिम्मत नहीं हारे हैं और जज्बा रखते हैं एक बार फिर उठकर आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनकर नए सिरे से शुरुआत करने की। Our horses will help them to get huge funding so that वो अपने अमेजिंग आइडिया से अपने बिजनेस और भारत की इकोनॉमी को दोबारा खड़ा कर सकें। We are welcoming you to witness the unforgettable journey of Horses Stable.
I sweat the small stuff. Am I gripping the handle too tight? Is my bat swing perfect? Is my smile a bit nervous? Where's my backlift coming from? Can I increase bat speed by changing the angle? Why have post-match interviews? My bat is already doing the talking. Talented. Genius. Mad. None of those labels worry me. I'm more interested in solid data. Like comparing my match recordings with new 3D batting videos, which is why my new best friend is the Straight Bat app. And just like a bestie, it tells me if I'm right or wrong. Call it a coach, critic, or a 3 a.m. friend, it's always there for me on my phone. That reminds me, I better put it to charge. Told you, I sweat the small stuff.
Good afternoon, horses. Pleasure to spend some time with you. I'm Gagan Daga, co-founder and CEO of Straight Bat. I'm here to ask a $1 million investment. I would like to offer you 20% equity. The $1 million investment will be spent over 12 months, and the whole purpose of this investment raise is to help Straight Bat grow from 2,000 plus players right now, getting better every day, to 20,000 players by the end of 12 months. An IPL player, I was talking to you about before this thing, 4-degree shift in backlift angle improved his timing efficiency by 22%. And you are seeing that at 7:30 p.m. every evening. Because of this, 100 plus pro-level coaches on our ecosystem. Coaches are biggest influencers. And for a category which doesn't exist, the key prerequisite, according to us, is having strong influencers. Cricket Australia, Rajasthan Royals are esteemed customers. We work with them, and they renewed their contract with and their engagement with us. The last bit on this. Chirag, I think you are from sport industry, but there are different verticals in sports: training, sport equipment, engagement, sport analytics, broadcasting, merchandising, gate revenue. All of them have different DNAs. They don't talk to each other. Suddenly you have a unifier who is relevant to training, obviously, equipment, smart category, fan engagement, new normalizer, analytics, global matrix, broadcasting increases the engagement, instant decisions, and you don't have to wait for third umpires. It's relevant, and hence a strategic play in sport.
Who are doing 20,000 bats.
The tennis ball bats, yeah?
20,000 bats a month. I think there's a huge play connecting the OEMs.
Completely agreed.
Forget your distribution through your...
Spot on.
academies or students, B2C, don't go through that. Convince the OEMs to push this, because this is a product which even someone who doesn't want to go professional would be interested in.
I don't care. After COVID,
Had I had
everything has
this at a
changed.
young
Reset.
age, anyone would take it.
Couldn't agree more. Distribution strategy is the biggest enabler. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है is definitely on.
सर भूख लग रही है दोनों
sir.
चीजों की, डील की as well as खाने की.
So sir, tell me, I have a deal. What is your thing which you want?
I don't want it to reflect as a number that is coming from my side, but the consensus is that it should be between 12 to 15 crores.
Come again, 12 to?
15 crores, the valuation.
All your licensing part for other sports, all your B2C stuff that I'm talking to you about, we have in-house teams who can take care of that. You don't have to focus on anything else. So maybe you need the money to do this stuff, which will be done for free for you. That's one.
Which is what? That's
Which is
an
the
interesting
B2C,
thing.
the entire B2C program that I'm telling you about, that
Correct.
you know, you have, let's say, your target audience is 10 people, let's say, hypothetically, that are cricketers and professionals and all that. There are 100 people waiting who are not
Correct. Spot on.
professionals, but they can pay for this, right? They also have the propensity to pay.
Correct.
Take care of that program for you. Licensing to other sports, we take care of that also to a very large extent, that you don't have to worry about all that. So your worrying and your focus should be on what you do best, making this better and better, and if maybe you can get the shoe thing done or whatever. So that's something you need to look at apart from the money as well, because that's
agree more.
the kind of
That was the discussion which I
value
wanted
that
to
we're
have.
getting for
Here,
free. you know.
Suraj is an expert. I am no expert. I know nothing about cricket. I like you. I like your business model. I like the way you present it. And for that reason, I'm coming with 100K.
Yeah.
I don't understand anything besides that. But Suraj is an expert in the game.
I'm going to build the venture
Value
with
is
you,
expertise.
And
So
You
you
come
come
with
happy
a-
to discuss. I don't
my-
know how the construct
my-
works here. I'm so sorry.
My another point is, bring a VC who is going to read the entire round. We will do 200K. Give VC the comfort of we doing 200K. I am sure that it will be a reasonably easy process for you than what it is now to close the deal with the VC.
That's a great start. And what I suggest, so sorry, can I, if you don't mind? What I suggest is that I understand valuation is a concern, right? And I was talking about valuation at early stages in art rather than science. What we can do is we can procrastinate the valuation discussion. We can have a val cap structure, and depending on the next institution round, you can get a discount on that. So that your interest,
You know,
whether you're investing
discount
in the
and
right,
all of this comes when you have a strategic interest. I am saying I want to invest and forget. There's nothing. There's no way I can help you. I'm not going to paint a rosy picture
probably I
here.
didn't communicate effectively. I'll repeat myself. I'm saying let's do a CCPS with a val cap, right? So that your investment is protected from valuation perspective, and you're not investing in any number which Gagan is talking about. There is a third party which will do in future.
I understand how that structure works, but my problem is, dear friend, you will be in a similar spot again, that the spot you are in at this point in time. The investor who is stuck with you at the, sorry, I don't want to comment on that part, but this is the number that I like for this kind of a business model. If you're happy with that, let's proceed any given day in time.
Rajesh.
Okay, I'm actually going to digress that whole conversation. That stays as it is, right? I'm not here to. I have a question. Will you white label your product? If I were to give you a guarantee of 500,000 users, okay, I want to white label it. I'll take it to market. I'm interested in a deal like that. Would that make sense?
A joint plan.
No.
There are two sides of the sensor. Straight back and this.
I want to white label it. I want to take it to the market.
Thank you. I would like to. That's not the plan.
So white labeling is not
Not
part
the
of
plan at all.
not your plan at all. Okay,
What we want to do, by the way,
okay,
is we want to be a tech company.
all right.
So we'll be the platform. Let's say if you want to build for another sport, it will be straight back inside, and you build the hat on top of it. So our North Star is
Okay.
not to.
I got your answer. So we'll leave that aside. Do you have any plans of
आप एक बार और
developing
push
a game, a mobile game for
Should we
cricket?
get one more person in?
We will gamify this. We are looking
Revised offer, 300k investment.
But not at this
I
value.
have a
Not at that.
plan for you for that.
Okay.
I won't.
And is there a revised valuation also?
Revised offer, same valuation, 300k. We have increased our size from 200k to
Thank
300k.
you so much.
Please trust me, it will be very easy process. We will connect you to a couple of VCs to get the round processed. You are anyway speaking to two VCs on advanced stages. We'll be very happy to enter in this round. Let's make a deal. Let's close the deal. 300k, 100k from Suraj, 100k from Alish, 100k from my side.
Just to understand.
There are no better partners on the cap table than Alish and Suraj to have. I may be a bad person, but otherwise.
Giri,
And he's under mentorship, so we'll mentor him.
No, Giri, Giri, there's one very important arithmetic which has to come in. You bring 200, 300 or any number of K. Are you proposing that his round should be less than 1 million? Because if you are not, then you are saying raise 1 million.
We are
at a
not,
1.6
Angels will
million
just
value.
get you
See, that
started.
can,
We are
see,
not,
honestly, the structuring can be done, right? There can be a mix of primary, secondary.
Ajit.
So
we
the
will just get him
valuation should not
started.
be a concern for him to get that valuation. If he's okay, the structuring is something we can bring to the table.
And we are just getting him started. VCS is who's going to drive him, right?
What is the counter offer that you were about to give anyways?
So that's an interesting point. Definitely something to think about. If we protect our existing investors' interest,
Correct.
that cannot, definitely something to think about. But the counter was, and that's my really low, 7 mil valuation, 300k, CCPS, we have a deal on table. I've given straight from 9.25 to 7 mil pre-money valuation.
So you're talking about a convertible note at a 7 million cap.
Val cap. So it is not a deterministic
How
thing.
much of a discount?
We'll give 15% discount, that's what we give.
15% discount. Timing? If you complete a round in 6 months, 15%. 8 months, 9 months, certain. Have you worked it out?
We can work that out.
Green
I've
shoe
not-
डाल दोगे ना
So
आप?
far I've not done that structure, but I can definitely work that out. That's not a problem at all.
तो आप ग्रीन शू डाल देना कि 6 महीने में होगा तो इतना डिस्काउंट, 12 महीने में
हाँ,
होगा तो
वो
इतना
कर सकते हैं ना,
डिस्काउंट.
उसमें फाइट
कर रहे हो
नहीं
7 मिलियन
उसमें
पे
फाइट नहीं.
7 मिलियन पे कर रहे हो तुम
7 मिलियन पे आप कर रहे हो
बिल्कुल नहीं.
तो फिर आप बात क्यों कर रहे हो?
तो फिर हाँ, exactly.
I thought you suddenly got generous.
Yeah.
That you have actually moved from 1.5 million to 7 million.
Oh my god, I can't imagine myself to invest in that valuation.
I
Sorry.
can respect that.
Not at this point in time. Yeah.
I can respect that.
Do we have a deal at the valuation that we proposed?
I would love to, but unfortunately I cannot go down.
And 7 million is your rock bottom. Is what it is.
No, please understand, 7 million is not his rock bottom, it's the other way around. It's a cap.
It's a cap.
You may get it at your 2 million,
At 2 million.
depending on his next round.
It's the cap where the existing investors are stuck, Ajit.
That is correct.
Existing investors cap is at 6 million.
Yeah.
That is a
Not at
price
7.
round.
That means it's even more worse for me. That means you're
Answer
giving me an
Alesh's
existing-
question.
That
That was
6
a
million is a
price
price round.
No, it's a CCPS round.
Can you tell me what's the current cap table?
So there are 13 of us,
13.
1-3 investors.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you know that's going to
Including
be
Greg.
that's going to be the biggest challenge in a VC room, right?
No, it won't be because the thing is that we have restructured our business to Singapore. 7 of them are in Singapore, 6 of them are here. Yeah. And
The breakup of 13.
the breakup of 13.
No, what is the percentage breakup?
So we have diluted 9.8%, and then there's a Techstars investment, which is 6%, which is there.
So think about a structure, given that you have a new company incorporated in Singapore as well.
Techstars is an institutional round. They invested at 5 million. That was the maximum they can go after.
5 million was the price round.
Price round, safe
Oh,
note.
yeah, I think
Then
Product
he, but
comment.
he
Contingency
said-
has to be
we have
there.
blocked in the working capital.
But
See,
VC
this
will not
this
enter.
honestly is a
Because of-
revenue
Have you
based
checked with your
financing
VC
deal.
about this?
Yeah,
that
it's not
they'll
a
be comfortable with
investment,
something
it's
financing.
financing.
Yeah, it's honestly, so that you're clear, right? I don't think you are understanding the deal construct that's happening
Sorry,
here, and I think
please,
it's fair
thank you so much.
to bring that up.
Thank you so much.
Honestly, this becomes like a revenue based financing deal where today any equity being put in will get come back to the company, come back to the investors. So honestly, what is it? The only risk here taken into consideration is that your inability to pay the 750k back. It is a debt deal.
Having
This
have,
deal,
having
Or justify why do you need that 750k right now? How does that help you to generate revenues faster? If that happens, then it's worth
That's
it.
fine, yeah.
Okay, that's one way to
Product
look
बहुत
at. The
बढ़िया है.
other way to look at is
Look at the
you've
packaging,
got
look at the-
3,000 orders, right?
Look at the
What is the
post that has
revenue
been
out of the 3,000 orders?
So it's a pre-order.
Yeah,
Order book of $200,000.
That perspiration.
that money is already come in.
No, no. That's a pre-order. commitment.
You're going to receive that money.
You've done all the right
So
things.
guys, there is a certain amount of revenue which is anyway going to come, right? Secondly, each of those guys also pay $299 a month on subscription.
So what they have ordered is at 4,488 one-time pricing.
Okay, so
4,488.
there's no recurring revenue there.
Right now, but we will change it anyway because when you're going to launch.
So you will
it
give
be-
them an offer.
Exactly. I'm asking for 750K with the projections in 12 months, 750K of revenue. So 1:1. Now, question to you: do you want to back a founder who has done this with a projection of 750K? So you are investing 750K, and 1 year, to talk about 750K revenue, it's a 1:1 deal. I think there's another way to look at it. I think, and I do not want to sound at all abrasive because I'm not, but I want to communicate to you that you asked me what's the patentable value, and I have no idea. It's intangibles. I have no freaking idea.
It's a business to have your idea.
No, I have no freaking idea what intangibles are. It's very early stage right now. It's not SAP where I can actually say this is my intangible asset. Now, this patent is what you're investing in. This team is what you're investing in. This team, with no backing in sports, nobody with sports industry, has Cricket Australia, Rajasthan Royals, 2,000 plus players, 20% of them at pro level, playing with it. There is some value to that.
Okay, ladies and
won't
gentlemen
love you.
of this jury, it seems that we are at a very exciting place in this deal. The founder is very keen to make a deal, and to the best for your thing, the investors are very keen to make a deal. The contours of the deal as they look to now is that you will invest the money that he wants. Over a period, every month or so, he will give you a royalty based on his earning with no guarantee of time, but a guarantee that he will pay you, let's say, a certain percentage which you can negotiate until your principal has come back to you. In return, what he is expecting is that since he will bring your cost of equity down to zero, that you would be generous in the fixed valuation or valuation cap that you will provide him. If these numbers can now be worked out, we can have a very exciting deal here. So why don't you propose something?
The only other aspect that I wanted to add was one of the horses over here has even proposed to take this to one of the large VCs and try and bring them into either the next round,
Yeah, or the subsequent round.
or the subsequent round.
Right.
And all of this that we are discussing is contingent to the VC giving him a green signal to be part of it, which he is almost like 90% convinced,
Okay.
right? And then we are all extremely happy if a very large VC is going to come and participate. There is absolutely no loss.
Suraj will try and help you get distributors and this thing, and
Yeah.
we will try and get you some sales.
Yeah, and if it's sub 5%, it won't even excite me to make one call.
I take back.
Yeah.
That was naive of me.
Yeah,
Yeah, but I understand where you guys coming from. 2 से 3 साल में आना चाहिए पैसा, hopefully.
exactly.
Right, and that's what
2
you
से
guys are.
3 साल नहीं, 1.5 से 2 साल में. So
We'll
you,
hope
That's
and we'll
why
help
we
उससे
listening
जल्दी
across the
आ जाए.
table, right?
you know, that's why we sit on this side of the table and you sit on that side of the table.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Agreed.
Okay.
The range.
ठीक है.
Let's-
Yeah, 20%, $8 million val cap, right? Which is CCPS kind of round, safe note kind of thing. And that's it. We have a deal.
Term sheet में होगा.
Listen,
I don't think there's a val cap now. What's the val cap?
No, why, from your point of view, why should you agree to a val?
हाँ नहीं
Why
val
did
cap
you-
है just in case he raises for less money. Chirag.
हाँ,
if
exactly,
he raises
exactly.
less,
That
it's
is
a val cap.
that is the question.
अरे वो वैल फ्लोर होता है, तो तुम्हारा वैल कैप का मतलब क्या?
Cap. If he raises less, then it is a floor.
No, the way it goes is there will be a X% discount to next round,
Agreed. Why is
but
he
he will never take more than 8 million valuation from you, regardless of a much bigger round.
with a discount, right?
Yeah,
With
yeah,
a
discount will be there. So can I just propose the terms of the CCPS?
Yes, please.
Right, because that's another part, right? So what I propose is, obviously it has to depend on when the next round is happening. That if the next round happens within the next 12 months after their closing, then you give them a 24% discount, and then for every month thereafter 2%, subject to a cap of 48% at the end of 24 months. If your funding doesn't happen for 24 months, then we regard you as a fail case and convert you at a very low valuation.
Ajit, just for the sake of not missing this deal, you add a token. I also put another 50K.
So you want me to come in?
You add a token. I'll also put another 50K.
Another
Because
what? How much are you bidding?
50K.
Okay, so we have 550K.
Then I don't consider this as an investment, then I consider this as one of the places
So
where.
let's just put it this way, I will put in a token. Fine.
Perfect.
Here, I think we need to discuss, guys.
Okay.
I think now it's the construct is the following: that the capital is kind of given back. You have an equity, right? There, my last round was 15% discount, right? 24 to 48% discount.
One second. 24% discount. Now how does it feel?
15%. Let's keep it at 15%. What's not? Let's have a very, very amicable deal here, guys. We are
You know
doing
what?
something
15
very
is
nice.
also okay, except
Yeah.
there has to be a time value of it. If you do it within 6 months versus 18 months, it has to be viewed differently.
Not, guys, I mean, I think we're getting too emotional about it, right? 0 of 0 is 0. I hope we all are, we are clear there, right? Anyways, a failed case, आप 50% ले लो कंपनी का क्या होगा?
Right. No, so tell me, I propose some terms of CCPS. What do you think?
So what I see what you were saying, trying to say, what you are trying to say is 15%, 50% तो industry norm ही नहीं है. I mean 20 तो होना ही चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से अगर discount कर. Though I mean we are just discussing this because we don't expect this to happen. I mean if this is not why we are investing because that
Exactly.
your valuation should come down.
Correct.
If anything, us being on the cap table, your valuation should go up.
Completely.
ठीक है ना? So this is all of this discussions is sum 0 of 0.
Correct.
So because the industry people even give 30% depending on their desperation. I think 20% is a fair discount value, which is the worst case scenario, which I doubt. You already have a 250,000 committed at a valuation. You already have had previous rounds at certain valuation. I don't see any reason for that to happen. So I personally feel that 20% is not a bad number. We hope to close it within a year, but it cannot go in perpetuity, is what he was trying to say.
So 20% discount, val cap of 8 mil. You want an acceleration post 2 years of discount.
No,
There's a 20%.
we want. See,
Can I suggest this?
Yeah.
Right, to make it easier for you. 15%, do it in discount if you do it in the next 8-9 months. In the next 15 months, you do it 20% discount. After that, it happens at a floor which we decide today. That's how it happens. There is no accelerated discount. Make this 20 goes to 30, 30 goes to 40.
so he's reduced it.
It is reduced.
I've reduced it for
Giri
you.
comes in with this funding, you're actually discounting only what you wanted, 15%.
So val cap 8 million,
And
val
val floor.
floor.
And val floor is something we need to discuss. So if you are okay with this 15, 20, then we discuss to a val floor.
I think I'm good with that. Let's discuss the val flow.
Val floor at 3 million.
See, I'll just tell you, forget the number for a second. What does val floor indicate? Val floor indicates that a lot of promises that they thought would be met are not met. Correct. In that case, the val floor has to accept that reality. So numbers such as 2 million, 3 million, etc. start coming up. In that scenario, that 20 months later you could not raise the institutional round at all.
I have invested, I'm sure, cumulative, all of us have invested in more than 100 companies. I can speak for myself. I have not seen an scenario where a val floor has been executed. So, but this is just for us to safeguard ourselves.
It doesn't get, I mean, फिर तो our cumulative investment पे लानत है.
And they don't get much if val floor gets indicated. Frankly, even they are not very happy.
Yeah.
They are not hoping
Of
for
course,
that.
you
Because
will never
then,
want
then
that.
eventually, then it also might as well have.
I don't want bats worth 100,000 sitting at my home. Let's put it that way.
And we take a little thela and move on.
So, sure.
Propose a val flow. Help
So,
me, guys. I mean,
I'll just throw a number. I would recommend both parties just say yes. So we just say 3 million.
I'm okay.
I would have wanted 2 million, but ठीक है वो तुम बोल रहे हो तो कोई दिक्कत
No, I like it. I like
think-
you also.
नहीं. All of us like him.
Now I'm confused.
Now I'm not beginning to like you, but it's okay. Okay.
Let's just do it because see that is a fail case scenario truly.
So how much are we doing in totality?
$500,000 to 600K.
So my 50K is included, correct?
Huh.
So his 50K is now confirmed. That is non-contingent.
50K is non VC dependent. 50K I'm doing just for the sake of doing.
So that is within $500,000. sir.
Okay. Okay.
And,
Perfect.
and anything that that 100 is will make it 600.
Correct.
And whatever
Token I'll put,
token
yeah.
he is putting, that is additional.
No. वो भी उसमें आ गया. It's a token तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना. Why do you want to put a fraction?
अच्छा, टोकनाइजेशन लीगल नहीं इंडिया में, बट ठीक है.
You are absolutely wrong. But that's a separate discussion.
चलो ठीक है. I think
If you do
okay
a valve
with the-
floor,
let's just
a valve
patila
floor of
banana.
3, I'm happy to go as a token subject to approval. I can
Okay.
talk. Yeah? I'll go with it. Yeah?
So can we all
Is that okay with you
cumulative-
guys?
Yes.
Yeah,
Is
fair
that
enough.
okay with
Yeah,
This
we
is
are
the
okay. More the
first
merrier.
time that all horses have
You'll
come
open
in,
it up.
and a deal master who is not even part of the show
Is that okay
is
with
also in. And I
Fantastic,
think
guys.
it may never
Awesome.
happen again.
Let's do
Awesome.
this.
This is fantastic.
Done.
Just a pause. Pause. I don't know how the process is, right? I'll have to obviously call my partner.
Do it.
Yeah, and close that button. Yeah, so
Let's
You're
close
not
it on
signing anything
camera.
now, it's okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's
I just,
close it. Let's close it on camera. There are
Yeah,
some
yeah.
due diligences and contingencies over here.
Yeah,
also.
we'll have to
discuss
figure that
there
and then
also.
we can.
I
Get
didn't
ironed
know the
out, let's
process.
close
I
it
just
and
wanted,
move on.
because if I'm saying something, I didn't want to.
So the thing is, like how there is due diligence, technical due diligence. नहीं,
The
नहीं.
equity will get.
No, so I'll only say, the only thing is that from our, what is the approval that you need to take? That's the question.
Approval, alignment with the partner, right? I mean, this is.
Alignment with the partner, you're more, what if he says no?
I mean,
एक काम करो ना. Will it take 2 minutes?
नहीं नहीं, might take longer.
clarify.
What I'm trying to say is,
Yeah.
agar if other than Chirag, who is representing a company in the same domain,
Correct.
he has to take approvals.
Correct.
None of us have to take approvals. We're all individual investors.
He's almost
Alesh,
out.
and he's 50K. In all probability, he might be out, or we're not counting him as yet.
No, but 50 तो confirmed है.
50 तो confirmed है.
So what
but
I'm-
that doesn't show my confidence in the deal. That just shows that I am doing this deal because everybody is doing this deal. And I'm
So
going
you
to
know
be part
what's
of the deal.
happening, Ajit, is a lot of the people are coming into the deal because somebody else is
Coming, correct.
coming in. Not a very good feeling if Alesh is out, if Giri is almost out. I don't think I'm going to be.
Ooh. कहानी में twist. Just to understand, I understand Alesh's thing. He had understood the deal differently.
No, but I
For
do.
whoever's
but I
fault.
do need Alesh to be part of it.
Okay.
Okay, that's the reason why I was also going ahead. So probably it's okay. I'm out. Mahavir, Suraj.
You can reduce the quantum.
Quantum
If you
you
guys
can
are
reduce.
confident, see, right?
Almost.
I understand me coming in.
It's just us left, then it's.
Yeah, you can take a call if you want
See,
to. or you
me
don't.
coming in, I can understand
See,
Rajesh.
this is the construct I
But
was
today,
coming
if the
from
confidence
day zero.
is there from everyone else, reduce the quantum and go for it.
Quantum being the amount.
Amount putting in.
challenges आएंगे. Because वो bandwidth we can't push. And this is why I was saying we need that guy.
I have not followed your
Yeah, actually, there's
concerns.
a. Alesh, what would you need?
No, so honestly, when I thought the deal structure would be, apart from this, there would be some quantum of advisory equity being given today. Okay, day zero. That's where I feel that is something that brings value for us putting our skin in the game for the next 2 years, taking the risk that there's a possibility this money does not come back.
So what would that be?
What were you expecting, the advisory?
So advisory equity ranging anywhere between 5 to 10% today. For having 5-6 of us combined, opening up our network, opening up our bandwidth, that is what I was looking at. Even if that doesn't come in for me, then I would be out, because there are a lot of operational challenges I see in a deal construct like this.
Okay.
Operational challenges, I will solve that problem for Alesh, and I will make sure that Alesh comes in for, despite of the operational challenges. But the advisory thing, that is his perspective, so I can't take a call on that.
So
Operational
that's what I
challenges-
thought, and anyway I was coming in with a small quantum, but that also I would not be like comfortable coming in. For me, then this becomes an equity deal coming in an 8 million cap, which I feel today is not justifiable for straight back.
Despite the payback over a certain
Despite the
period.
payback, because for me that
There's a
means
question mark.
yeah.
So suppose, and I'm not even talking to the founder, suppose there were an advisory, whatever percentage, suppose we say 5, 10, any number there. So effectively what you are saying is that for
putting in today, I'm getting a valuation lower than his 8 million cap because I'm getting equity today. So my weighted valuation is much lower. Then
such as
It becomes half, no?
10% I'm getting today. Typically the valuation will be between 4.9, 5.2.
See, I'll tell you, anybody who comes with a 3 mil kind of a check size is going to look at the numbers which he is projected. And that is why I was saying that for the whole construct where I don't have an expertise, for example, this particular subject I don't have an expertise, I wanted to rely on a senior partner for the very same reason that I don't know or I don't have an assurance of what the next round is going to look like.
Giri, I have got a proposal for you, which separates
My offer
Stands.
of 2 million.
Stands.
while it has I'll actually
2 million.
That is why at the beginning we had offered 2 million, because then
No, Giri, I'll come up with an
This was in
offer
the-
where you break away from this group and this deal can still be done with a contour similar to this, but I'll explain. You give him, just be a little patient. It will not sound good. You give him 100, 120, 150K. Okay, that is your equity subscription. You get what these guys are going to get, 7, 8, 9, 10%. Okay, so you get your valuation in the vicinity of the 2 million, 1.5 million. But you will commit to him that funding of all of his orders. See, why does he need the money from here?
I
One part
understand.
is to fund the orders. You will get him that money in addition to your equity investment. He will repay that. See, even here he was repaying, right?
Okay.
We did. Second, he needs some money for other purposes. So effectively, he needs his $1 million.
So if this
You
is
will
for the
give him 850K.
Ajit, if this is for the manufacturing, I'm happy to connect you with 10 folks whom I know who would be interested in this deal.
Getting more
So I think
600K worth of debt
हाँ.
and 150K worth of equity.
1.2 million pay, 120K, 150K, whatever you
Something
feel
like
right,
this.
whatever you feel right is committed.
Said something is wrong, you will do it right. So change your tack, leave this line of reasoning. Is there anything, because we'll otherwise have to close. Tell them why they are going to become rich. Change your tack.
The number of customers that we have acquired, approximately 1250, I would say very specifically, all of them were using the same source of water from local vendors, and within one pitch they got converted. They are extremely happy about the services that they are getting. They are ready to pay premium, they are ready to pay even cost of delivery if we start charging them tomorrow. So the value addition of zero heat exposure that we bring on the table through our supply chain, and a cost advantage that we bring to them, the customers are happy. The corporate deals that we have signed with Decathlon for all their locations in NCR, the next deal that we signed very recently was Uniqlo, which is Japanese based showroom across NCR. We are the single largest provider to them for all sizes of water. So corporates.
But you said you can raise debt.
Yeah, but I do not want to raise the debt-based thing.
Can you explain, tell me two difference, revenue-based financing and debt funding, what's the difference?
So there is a time pressure, right? There is a time pressure, right? You have to serve the interest.
So matlab
Here
revenue-based
it is
financing
it is a variable cost which goes out, right?
And an interest expense compared to some part of
That's
revenue
a
coming out.
time base, right? It's almost the EMI.
I honestly think, Gagan, probably there is a disconnect in the understanding of what you want and what is on the table, in my opinion.
Yeah, yeah.
See, in my opinion, it's getting a little complicated.
It's getting too
So I
complicated
think
for
till
me.
we don't figure it out a little bit more, I would
know,
not like to commit right now.
You know,
Let's-
okay,
let's
here
figure it out.
I'll speak for myself now. We've been speaking together. I'm going to speak for myself.
Look at
This
the
has
equity
become too
structure. Look at your
complicated and it's
enterprise
gone
value.
on too long. This
Correct.
is not the
Yeah,
way I
yeah,
like to do.
next round,
I completely agree.
Yeah,
with a
something's
debt
not
component, you get
working.
screwed on valuation.
I would like to
Problem.
read that as a sign. I'm out.
He's not
I respect that. Thank you.
While we agree and respect, I must also just comment that the reason it has stretched out is not because of inflexibility from any individual or changing of mind of any individual. It is just that there are too many individuals involved. Having said that, what you said is completely respect
Yeah,
that.
but I have
it's
always
getting a bit
followed my
complicated.
gut, Ajit. So, you know, Gagan, no disrespect. I love the, business that you are in, and I have the greatest of respect for you. I just follow my gut.
I completely respect that.
Anytime I have done anything which is, too complicated or it gets too
It was getting too complicated for me also.
It's getting a bit
as
too
well.
complicated.
So that is what I'm following, and I'm saying,
I
we'll
respect
figure
that.
out at some other time in life. I'm sure some.
Definitely. It will be my pleasure.
Yeah. Please excuse me out of it.
Thank you.
I'm out.
Aresh was out first before you were out.
I
Giri
would
was
like
out
to
first.
think over it and get back to you.
My deal, previous deal
No,
stands.
no,
The
if that-
previous as well as current deal. Now 2 deals stand. You have
Current
to give
deal
one
also
more
stands.
back.
Your thing is fantastic. The product is amazing. I'm sure you'll do
No, I
brilliantly
don't know why
well.
it is being
you.
taken
This is now
diluted,
getting a
मतलब
little
lightly क्यों ले रहे हैं?
completely
complicated.
agree.
So right now I'll be at pause
नहीं,
mode.
आपका deal
Right
था,
now I'll
तो
be
वो
out.
था नहीं.
Let's think
It's
about
been
it. We'll also have a
accepted. That's why
discussion
we
tonight
negotiate.
when we are
You can't
sitting
keep
for
doing
Awesome.
dinner.
I think I respect
And
that.
then we can always get
Because
there.
you know,
let's be
I
fair,
have
right? We are
never
also-
invested in a company where I have not had a say one way or the other as a minority stakeholder. Collectively, we were going to have about 8 to 10% or 6 to 10% of equity, and 4 of us bringing a lot more on board.
Correct.
Now this, either I would have to up my investment along with Suraj or Giri or whoever else, or I would have to see if I want to be a minority holder where I don't have much of a control, whether on the board or operations or vision and mission. So I just need a day's time to think and get back to you.
The only request I have is that, again, in that spirit, if we can have a discussion,
Yeah, we'll discuss offline.
rather than decision.
course.
One thing I'm very good at is creating a win-win, right? If I understand your objective, understand your constraints, leave the problem to me.
All of us are very fair people also. I'm sure
Yeah.
we can create a win-win, and we can
No,
start.
I was not talking about. I was talking about myself. I was introducing myself, so that's all.
Yeah, no, fair enough. Let's discuss it offline.
Awesome.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate it.
Spiritually we
Thank you.
won.
That was
Really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
quite a conversation.
Want maximum savings and control over your company's travel spends? Presenting Yatra for Business, an online platform for all your company's travel needs. From valuable savings through low convenience fee and corporate fares to more control with employee booking requests and admin approvals. Yatra for Business, the most cost-efficient way to book your travel.
Hi, good evening. So our company name is Super Centurion Technologies Private Limited, and currently these are the clients we have: ICICI Bank, Our Fox, and all that. Till now we have acquired 35,000 users, and it is B2B2C. So product is B2C, but we have sales strategy B2B. So through B2B partners we acquire end user, and then we can offer the product itself. We are part of Startup India, and last month we have been selected for Atal Incubation Center also with NIMS in Bombay itself. This is the team. Myself, I spent almost 23 years in financial services industry. Before launching my own venture, I was working with Edelweiss as a director and senior vice president. I was heading financial planning business and head of distribution. And CTO is again having 23 years of experience, hardcore IT experience. And our chief operating officer, he has come from Kotak Securities. He is having 16 years of experience in operations itself. We have 2 digital platforms. First one is My Wealth Protector, the video you have seen. It is B2C platform for the investor or the earning member to digitize all the investment papers at one place, and after the death, we enroll the family in getting ownership claim of all the financial assets. Second product is for independent financial advisors. We offer them inbuilt the mobile app where they can sell all companies' product, all AMC's product, all insurance companies' product. They can sell loan products of more than 50 NBFCs in banks, and the first product, Beyond Life, has also been inbuilt in that. So these 2 platforms we have built. There is no competition. We are the first in India to launch both the platforms itself. These are the 5 numbers. As of now, we are earning around 2.5 lakhs per month. और हमारा खर्चा कुछ 1.25 लाख के आसपास है. So in first year, once like we get funds, or I have also put my flat on sale, in case that gets sold, then these numbers will flow like that.
1.58 gross revenue, 6.47 year 2, 10.09 year 3, 45.104 and 105.55.
By the way,
year
for
five.
sale of a residential
18 crores.
property, short term capital gain नहीं है ना. Continue.
So 100 crore projection, and what's
in
PAT?
5 years.
Yeah, and PAT?
That will be
42.
42 crores.
40.8.
Cost. And how much are you, when do you break even?
He's already in the green.
ब्रेक इवन तो अभी से ऑलरेडी हो रहा है हमारा.
वो ब्रैकेट में था year 1 year 2
ईयर 2 में पैट नेगेटिव है ना ईयर 1 ईयर 2 में.
थर्ड ईयर में थर्ड
Third year breaking.
year 3
In the sense, this is your year 1 or year 2 or year 3?
we are in year 0. These are once we get funds and all that these numbers have been planned. Right now we are in green. Our per month revenue is 2.5 lakhs and our kharcha is 1.5 lakhs per month.
It's for expansion, he would need to spend money, but before the revenues come in, he would lose money. That is what he
I think you should finish first and then we can focus on questions. Go ahead.
So these are the key investment highlights. There is no competition. For both the products, market is huge and experienced team is there. As per priority, these are the fund requirements. Like our first priority that like in My Wealth Protector, we have cracked the client user acquisition part. Now our hurdle is consumption because all these big brands वो अपना काम करके निकल जाते हैं, अपना माल बेच के निकल गए, कंज्यूमर को पता ही नहीं है he has got My Wealth Protector का service and all that. So our next challenge will be consumption, then we will get revenue year on year. So for that we need to improve the product. Like right now what our product is there, it is 25%. So 75% is planned, all the screenshots, designs are ready. So moment we get funds and all that, then we will add another 18 features, which will excite the user that to consume the service. Once he will consume, then he will be on the platform and then he will pay us revenue, renewal itself. Second is the client engagement like. So once he will consume the service, then there will be e-engagement and all that during the year, then we can ask for renewal and all that. And then we have like after that service right now, it is manual. So after the death, we serve the widow or dependents like that. After the death, we have defined 14 color coded envelopes. For each asset class, there is different color coding and all that because already the widow is in trauma. So we can't make her life complicated. For mutual fund, there is different color coding and all that. For each asset class, we attach the process of getting the claim. We fill up each and every claim form. We tell them where to go and submit. And we handhold till they get last penny of the deceased earning member. So right now, this part is manual, but we will digitize it once we get funds and all that. So first video was for My Wealth Protector and second video is for the second product which is B2B for financial advisor.
Sir, can you just pause that? Sorry, we are almost out of time. अगर आप वीडियो के बाद पूरा सेकंड प्रोडक्ट बनाओगे उतना हमारे पास टाइम नहीं होगा तो आप जरा प्लीज
50 सेकंड का है खाली
वीडियो दिखा दो.
Insurance is such a complex product that I still don't know what insurance I subscribe to. It is very best known by my insurance provider.
Yes.
And I think every family, let me please complete. I'm anyways out and I don't have a follow-up question. Every family has that one person whom they trust to design the insurance policy for the whole group, like for 600 employees in our group. So there is one consultant who has been doing it for last 30 years, and despite of looking at more than 30 plus insurtech companies, we have not found a convincing reason to trust any of them, despite of being the agent being stuck with only one company and sir.
So that
we still try to look into.
We are empowering that agent only who has built trust on ground with 1,000 or 2,000 families. We are empowering him only.
I'm out of this deal. I don't think there's enough crux for agent to take your solution and pitch it.
Tell me something, what is your cost of, let's say if I become an IFA of yours, what cost are you incurring apart from what cost you've already incurred for your tech and platform? Is there any variable cost that you're incurring by appointing me? How much is that?
So the cost of sales cost will be around 70,000 and the building that app itself will be around 20,000 rupees. So we
70,000 is what?
So we will appoint sales people and all that down. I am talking about this plan itself.
वो आपसे ये पूछ रहे हैं कि एक IFA को रिक्रूट कर लिया आपने, समझो कि मेरे को आपने रिक्रूट कर लिया,
हाँ हाँ, इसके
बाद में आपको मुझे वहाँ पे एक्टिव रखने के लिए खर्चा है
नहीं,
और उसके पहले खर्चा नहीं है ना, तो आप 1.5 लाख क्यों लेते हो?
लाने के लिए मैं आपसे दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ, तो इनका एवरेज टिकट साइज क्या है? लाइक ये कितना सेल करके आपको, आप एक रफली IFA से एक साल में कितना कमा लोगे फ्रॉम द सेल्स? अब एवरेज रेवेन्यू शेयर,
revenue sharing like first year he will earn around 4 lakh के आसपास. If he earns, then we will earn around 20,000 के आसपास from one IFA.
Okay.
And what is your revenue share? कितना revenue share percentage क्या है?
4-5% हो गया ना.
तो अगर आपका वेरिएबल कॉस्ट है ही नहीं, तो देन यू कैन तो गिव इट टू एज मेनी IFAs as you want and they'll keep giving you money back.
फटी पड़ी है, इसलिए हम लोग इसको पैसा लग रहे हैं.
That's number one. Number two is what are you doing with the data? Are you of your the customer base that is using your the document share? What's that called? MyLeap?
My Wealth Protector.
My Wealth Protector. Is there something you're doing with the data also which you're getting?
Right now we have not touched the data and we have not planned how to use that data and all that. So that planning is not there yet.
You haven't planned that, but you can use that data.
Yes.
Competition आपका?
अभी नहीं है. Indirect competition, IFAs and all that. They serve the family.
You have tremendous competition. I'm surprised you have said there is no competition.
I'll tell you, there is people who have pitched to me already, जो प्राइमरीली इंश्योरेंस से कमा रहे हैं, बट वो करंट अकाउंट भी खोल रहे हैं, सेविंग्स अकाउंट भी खोल रहे हैं, और भी चीजें कर रहे हैं.
कंपेयर पॉलिसी है,
मार्केट प्लेस हैं सबके सब. One is Pune based, 2 or 3 are Mumbai based. So I'm surprised that you don't know that there is competition.
I think there is, so the first product you have competition from the people you are tying up with. All of these banks have this product of after death.
So banks,
beyond death.
Yeah, all these brands, they are compelling those IFAs to build under their own brand itself. We are offering the platform under IFA's brand itself. So we are promoting his brand. But all the NJ
Prudent. IFA को आप क्या दे रहे हो?
हम उसको एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म बना के दे रहे हैं उसके ब्रांड का. And then he is claiming कि मेरा प्लेटफॉर्म है. But all these NJ Prudent and all that, they are telling कि मैं आपको एक प्रोडक्ट दे रहा हूँ, मेरे ब्रांड को प्रमोट करो. That is the difference.
आपको कितना टाइम लगता है एक व्हाइट टेबल करने में प्रोडक्ट?
7 से 8 दिन.
उसका वो 1.5 लाख देता है.
अभी हम लोग चार्ज कर रहे हैं.
व्हाइट लेबलिंग के लिए 7-8 दिन क्या करते हो आप उसमें?
इट इज ए नेटिव ऐप इटसेल्फ. ऐसा नहीं कि हमने कुछ लोगो
नेटिव ऐप बना लिया ना, आप उसको खाली लॉगिन आईडी दे रहे हो ना सेपरेटली, उसका नाम तो ऑटोमेटिकली
नहीं वो वैसा वाला व्हाइट लेबल नहीं है. उसको ढंग से नेटिव ऐप बना के और उसको
हम प्ले स्टोर IFA, बॉम्बे के 3 IFA है. हम तीनों का डिफरेंस क्या है? हम तीनों आपको 1.5 देते हो. व्हाट प्रोप्राइटरी मेरे लिए क्या बनाते हो आप?
सेम ऐप. It will be same, 100%.
As per my latest knowledge that I've checked, given that we have done the transaction in the month of August,
we spent 18 months on this.
I'll just take a little poll. Chirag, where are you?
I'm struggling. I can't take a call. I can't.
I'll come to you. Alesh?
I will not be going.
You will not be able to do that.
I would have been very interested if he had the rights well negotiated with the bank and he had the capability to use that data. And if he had some kind of profiling, I would have been interested.
Okay, coming back to this, out of the 35,000, what geographically आपके पास है?
वो सब मिलेगा. एज प्रोफाइल मिलेगा, ज्योग्राफिक मिलेगा, ये 2 चीजें मिलेंगे. प्लस हाउ मेनी डॉक्यूमेंट्स, इन्वेस्टमेंट्स ही इज हैविंग एंड ऑल दैट वी विल.
उन्होंने कितने पैसे की पॉलिसी ली है वो मिलेगा?
नहीं, वो नहीं मिलेगा.
अच्छा.
Contact details.
That all, yeah, email ID, mobile number, date of birth, everything will be there. But we have taken a call that we won't post the inside data itself. That strategy we have taken. That is data will be encrypted and we will never read his data itself.
Also, data तुम ऐसे ही खरीद सकते हो. Rajesh, sitting across this side of the table, do you want to hear words like "फटी पड़ी है"? That was a turn down.
Mahavir.
Oh, I'm absolutely. It's a very crowded domain. I have been pitched already with people who are trying to sell not only this but getting houses refinanced, current account, savings account, insurance. There are 2-3 companies. I was trying to find the name. I was not. One is GIBL, but I did not get the full name. And I'll get those names to you.
Please.
The fact that you're dependent on agents The scalability would be very limited. The fact that he is lean and mean and doing everything himself, he's profitable. The day he wants to scale up and acquire customers, this will be a non-viable product, because for 50 rupees an annum servicing for life, because eventually all customers will die. The repercussions are very high.
50 rupees of first year itself. Next year the consumer, in case he wants to renew the service, he will pay 1,500 rupees.
They'll go to another bank and go to the other bank or whatever.
No, my first question, that's why I was on data. I don't like this revenue model. If there was and you said you don't have a plan for the data at all. If you had a plan and you said मैं free में भी सब banks को दे दूँगा या customers को दे दूँगा, but मेरा plan data का है, which is actually the game in this kind of a business, but you don't have a plan
Data
for that.
we don't have plan right.
I'm out, sir.
Chirag, I just come back to you once and then.
I think the problem he is trying to address is real. I think it's a large one. It's a real one as well. But I think his solution is completely warped. I'm out.
I will, Ajit, I'll still give him a different kind of a suggestion.
Yes.
And if he's, you know, what you could do is you can go back. I don't think the deal can happen here because it's dependent on the bank. You don't take that 50 rupees also from the bank. Okay, make it free to the bank, like Suraj said. Okay, I will give you some money for every data, but I want all attributes of that data and all rights to do what I want with that data, and get me at least about 20, 30, 40 million
exactly.
Data of people that I want. I'll tell you what are the attributes I want. I will pay you some money. I won't pay you 50 rupees. I will pay you probably 10 rupees. Okay, but you can give that, you can waive it off from the bank.
RBI won't allow it.
Okay.
A regulation won't allow it.
But I don't know if you can do it.
Regulation
if you can
won't
do
allow
it, okay, anything about 20 million people data, I'll be interested in talking to you, both from an investment point of view as well as anything else.
आप 2 crore data लाओ या आपको 20 crore रुपए देंगे.
See, now do you understand? आपका revenue model कैसे बदल गया? Now do you think आपको 50 रुपए वो करने आप free में तो हर जगह, but if you can get the data, you already have a buyer sitting. पहले से आपको बोल रहा है मैं आपको पैसे दूंगा.
And he does not want exclusive.
That should have been your revenue model.
He'll give you 20 crore, you can still sell to others. You can still do your business.
50 रुपए के पीछे आप भाग रहे हो जहाँ पर आपको 20 करोड़ रुपए हैं. So you understand? That's the game in this business.
So I am calling this session closed.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So ये थे हमारे आज के अमेजिंग कंटेस्टेंट्स और उनके आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स इनोवेटिव स्टार्टअप आइडियाज. Many more to come. Stay tuned with us. Keep dreaming, keep chasing.